We set this one. Whoa. Whoa, there's a lot of fire there. Yeah. Lúc này lúc họ chú là ủa cho ép vào suối nghe. Cho quan tông số tha nè. Nó chỉ là ủa to chỉ những cám bỏng cầu cho xí mũi đó cho. Quan tông là quan từ cuộc biển đó nữa. Lúc họ chú là lo hư. So how many gallons you be able to make for this one?
Yeah. It takes about 40 to 50 gallons of sap for 1 gallon of maple syrup.
I think about the whole thing here, how many gallons you be able to make? The one right now?
Well, it just continues to come through.
Oh, it
keeps
circulation?
Yep, it just circulates.
Oh, until it's dry out?
Until it's ready. Then it's been going since 1 o'clock last night. We'll probably be going on all night tonight until it'll be about noon tomorrow before we're done.
Oh, so you think how many gallons you will get?
You mean how many gallons of maple syrup?
Yeah.